In this video we will learn how to find a connected Wi-Fi password
on both PC and mobile.
First, we learn how to find password on PC. Right-click on Start button and then click on Network Connections. Here, go to the Network and Sharing Center and click on Connections. Then click on Wireless Properties. Click on Security tab. Then enable Show Characters box. We finally get Wi-Fi password. Second, find password in mobile. Click on Settings. Here, click on Wi-Fi option. Then took a screenshot of that QR code. Now open Play Store. Search for QR code scanner. Click on first application and download it. Open it. Now select a screenshot. Here we get the Wi-Fi password on mobile. This is how you can get connected Wi-Fi password on both PC and mobile. Thanks for watching.